this video, I'm going to show you how to create a second personal profile on Facebook, something like this. This is not a business page. This is a second personal profile. Let's go. So the first step is go to facebook.com, obviously. This is going to come up with your existing profile. Okay, for me, it's Sophie Signbide. Then go here, top right-hand corner. Click here, click on see all profiles. Here you have your personal profile and any business pages that you have. These are all business pages. So just click on see all profiles. Then look, click down here, create. Then select personal profile and then next. And then get started. You see, it now allows you to actually create a second personal profile. So click get started. So now here, fill it in with anything you want. Obviously be truthful. Don't be tempted to put a false name or anything like that. I'm going to put my same name that I have, my own name. I'm going to use this for my gluten-free stuff. So I'm actually going to see if I can personalize this with gluten-free. So Sophie gluten-free. Let's see if that works. No, it's not available. Let's see, Sophie is gluten-free. Yes, that's available. Okay. So here, try to personalize it with something that makes sense. If you simply want a second personal profile with your name, you just leave your name. Now put a cover photo that's relevant and put a profile picture that's relevant. So I'm just going to put myself. Okay, as with everything on Facebook, I highly recommend you pick a picture of yourself where people can see your face. It increases trust. For the cover photo, you can, if you don't have one, you can create one in Canva. It's very easy. I'm going to go ahead and pick one that's related to gluten-free food. Okay, so that will do for now. Then click continue. So there you have a bunch of important information. Just read through it and make sure you're okay with it. Okay, I personally am okay with it. And so I'm going to hit create profile. And that's it. It's created it. It's now asked me if I want to add friends to stay connected. I'm going to skip this. I'm just going to go to next. Join groups to see more in your feed. So that is an interesting one. So here what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to join the groups that are relevant to my niche. And then I'll go next. Suggested people to follow. I'll follow Dr. Vegan. I remember him. Click next. And there's more things like profile settings. So I suggest you do that. I'm going to go ahead and manage the settings. And so I'm going to go okay here. What I really want here is the profile and tagging settings. Because I don't want, when people tag me, I don't want the content to appear on my profile. So who can post on your profile? No one. I only want myself to be able to post on my profile. Who can see what others post on your profile? I would say everyone. Allow others to share your posts on their stories. Yes, I want that because I want full exposure. Who can see posts you tagged in on your profile? Well, everyone. This is the important one. Review tags people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. So yes, I want to toggle that. And review posts you tagged in before the post appears on your profile. I want to toggle that as well. That's really important. Otherwise, people start tagging you and the posts are posted on your profile. So I'm happy with all this. And that is it. I can go home and I am on my new profile. So now you can see I've got, if I click see all profiles, this is my main personal profile. I recognize this because of the profile pictures. Okay, so this is my main personal profile. If I click here, this is me. Okay, can switch between them. And you can see if I go to my main feed, there you go. That's me. But if I want to switch to my new one, let me just see. So if I click here, this is my Sophie Soundbite sort of personal profile to do with gluten-free food. And I'm going to be able to start posting on here. I'm going to add a bio. I'm going to put a link to my YouTube channel, Eating Gluten Free. I'm going to click the create the details, etc., and I'm going to start posting on here every time I make a gluten-free recipe, every time I cook gluten-free, anything linked to gluten-free food. And I'm going to interact in groups with this profile. This is going to allow me to build a following in that niche and have organic free reach because it's a personal profile. I hope this helps and makes sense. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with anyone who might need it. And if you have any questions, just comment and I will reply to your comments as soon as I see them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.